Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Tinder application. To log out of your Tinder, firstly open your Tinder application. You will arrive on the home page of Tinder application where you can like or dislike someone by swiping to left or right. To log out of your Tinder account, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the little gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll all the way down to the end. There you can see Logout option. Click on it. This is how you can log out of your Tinder account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.